Here we have the Homo sapiens toddler, commonly known online as the toddler titan. Her videos have reached millions around the world, all drawn to her unique view of planet Earth. Let's take a closer look. Her name is
Mama.
Just 2.5 years old, she's already quite the character.
梦梦，你要不要玩老狼？老狼几点了？
好呀。
小恐龙在哪里呀？
She's an athlete, a narrator,
这什么？这火车。这火车。
and occasionally a drama queen. Oh, sorry. Never far from Mengmeng's side are her parents, two big-hearted adults who never lost their childlike wonder. They began recording and sharing Mengmeng's daily life as a way to remember those precious early years. But her rise to fame as the internet's favorite toddler came as a complete surprise.
真的没有想到这条视频会这么受欢迎，因为我们平时都是用大人的视角去记录梦梦的，所以很好奇，在梦梦这个还不到1米高度的视角下，她眼里的世界是怎样的，以及她看到这个世界的时候，脸上会有怎样的小惊喜和小变化。
To keep up with Mengmeng, they turned to a camera small and light enough to go unnoticed, the Insta360 GO Series, making it possible to observe her in her natural habitat.
因为我们小时候也是没有那么多视频、影像资料之类的，现在就拍一拍视频，以后还能回看一下。
Standing 80 centimeters above the ground, a fascinating world emerges. Where we see a simple playground, Mengmeng sees a colorful mountain range. An ordinary jungle gym becomes a castle.
加油！
加油！
3、2、1。
And this is how she sees us, towering giants.
爸爸牵手。
牵手牵我们吧。
好的，站好了。
In time, the way Mengmeng sees the world will change. But for now, it's full of possibility and wonderfully unpredictable. And naturally, she's still finding her feet.
像我们用 GO Series 已经1年了，很直观地看到了她的成长，所以也想把这些片段留存起来，在未来的某一刻可以放给她看。因为总有一天她会长大，用大人的视角去看这个世界，这个世界会变得更符合逻辑。在那之前，我会一直记录，给她保留这份童真与快乐。